you have a spooling truck arriving on site. Are you prepared? We'll walk you through everything you need to know before a spooling truck's arrival. My name is Ben, and this is the Lifting and Rigging Channel. Let's get you ready for your spooling truck's arrival. Jason Coleman will walk you through.
My name's Jason Coleman. I'm the Specialty Rope Service Manager. In short, I manage the fleet of technicians that we use the spooling truck to install cables out in the field. Spooling truck is what's behind me. We use it to replace cables from small cranes to anything up to 1,100 tons. We'll do slipping cuts, we'll do inspections. Anything that the rope needs to be done in the field, we'll do it. In essence, we will load up a new cable from our warehouse, or sometimes the customer has a cable on site. We'll load it up on our double A-frame unit behind me. We will take off the old cable and install the new one whenever they have a cable replacement and they don't have the machinery to do it themselves. And so if they want to save time, be safe, anything that's necessary, we show up with all the tools. Not every time the cable needs to replace, so we get a lot of calls for inspections of cables. We'll come out to location, we will spool the cable off and inspect it as it's coming off. As we're doing that, our technicians are trained to look for damages in the cable, anything that's ununiformed in the diameters of the rope, and they will document everything, and then we'll provide a pass-fail report at the end of the inspection. You know, after the job is set up, we'll coordinate, work with the customer on what date works best for both parties. You know, the first thing you want to do is look at the weather conditions, make sure it's safe to work in. You know, does a job site, can the job site handle our unit? There are times where the job site is not in level conditions, or we might get stuck in the mud or something like that, and so they might have to move the crane to a more feasible spot to change that cable. The one things we need from the customer are an assist crane, and what that does is that helps hold up our sheave to get the right fleet angle. We need an operator, and we need a mechanic or technician. So when the cable is too large for our units to haul themselves, we have to hotshot or find other means of transportations to job site. So they'll need something of capacity to lift the large cables off the truck and trailer. And then when we come on site, we'll need to load it up on our truck and trailer. On some of the jobs, they have their own job safety analysis. We make sure everybody on site understands the JSA and signs off on it. When we show up to location, we will make point of contact with the on-site contact that is provided. We'll get a scope of work, where the crane's located. The technician will then look around to see if this is a safe place to do it. The biggest thing we need is space. So typically we need 60 feet from the boom tip and 120 feet from the cab. After the job is finished, technician will have the on-site contact sign off, make sure the job was done up to their specifications. From our smaller cranes, we can get in and off location in under a couple hours. Some of the larger ones, 4 hours. Some of the inspections, just due to the nuances we look at, could be 5 to 6 hours based on the cable length and size. The biggest advantage of having this is having someone professional that's had, just for our training program, over 500 hours of putting cables on. And that's just for them to be able to operate the truck. We know what we're doing, we'll do it safe, and we're the experts.
If you're in need of spooling services, call us or contact us at MazzellaCompanies.com. If you're looking for more information on how Mazzella's wire rope and spooling services can help you, then check out our Learning Center. We have a ton of information there. You can also always reach out to us at MazzellaCompanies.com. I hope now you feel fully prepared for your spooling truck's arrival. If you found this video useful, informative, entertaining, or you just feel like being friendly, then hit that like button so we can get this information out to everyone who needs it. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. If you have a question, drop it in the comments. My name is Ben, and I'll see you in the next one.